Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for this segment, we have Mark Marex, Senior Specialist with Index Research and Development at Nasdaq Investment Intelligence, to discuss the ISE Clean Edge Water Index. Mark, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks. And it's so interesting to be discussing the water index considering what we're seeing happen in the western part of the United States.
Hi, Jill. Yeah, great to be back and talking about this index with you. Agreed, it's super relevant, not just given the ongoing drought challenges in the West. We actually have a separate index, the Nasdaq VELES Water Index, that tracks the price of water. The price of water contracts has really skyrocketed over the last couple of months. This index, on the other hand, this tracks companies that are involved in the water industry, covers, a few different sectors here, which we'll get into in a moment. But let's start talking about the performance. Year to date, the ticker is HHO, up just about 24% as of yesterday's close. I've plotted out a couple other indexes here for comparison purposes. The green is the Q Green, the Nasdaq OMX Green Economy Index, up about 13% year to date. So you can already see just within that kind of green economy, clean economy space, that this index often falls into, gets bucketed into as one of those ESG type indexes, really outperforming the broader space year to date. The other three indexes I've plotted, they're all right around 19% year to date, the Nasdaq 100, the S&P 500, and then a water index from Solactive, SBOX WASK, also just about 19%. So again, this index not just outperforming the broader market, but also outperforming the broader green economy space and one of its closest competitors out there from Solactive.
And Mark, if investors want to get involved with these types of companies, what ETF could they turn to?
Yeah, so there's an ETF here from First Trust that tracks this index. The ticker is FIW. It's been around for a number of years. What we've shown here is just a growth of AUM really that took off last year. You can see we were kind of slowly going up from 250 to 500 million in AUM. And then right around a year ago is when we started to kind of go vertical on this index. We're up over 135% year over year in AUM terms, getting well north of $1 billion these days, around $1.25 billion in AUM. And again, that ticker from First Trust is FIW.
All right, Mark, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.